Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a professional voiceover to your Google Slides presentation step by step. Whether you're a teacher, business presenter, or content creator, this 2025 guide will help you create a polished presentation with clear audio that plays seamlessly. Stick with me till the end, and you'll be ready to impress your audience in just a few minutes. Access Google Slides. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your presentation files are stored. If you're not signed in, simply click the sign in button and enter your credentials. On the home screen, you can either start a new blank presentation or open an existing one. If you're practicing or doing this for the first time, I recommend starting with a blank presentation so you can follow along without worrying about changes to an important project. Before inserting anything, it's smart to have your voiceover script or notes ready. This will make your audio smooth and error-free. If you haven't recorded yet, use a simple voice recording app on your computer or phone to record your narration. Save the file as an MP3 or WAV because these formats work best with Google Slides. Upload the audio to Google Drive. Google Slides only allows audio files stored in Google Drive, so head to your Drive and upload your recorded voiceover. Create a dedicated folder if you want to stay organized. It'll make it easier to find your files later. Insert the audio into your slide. Now go back to your presentation. Click the Insert tab in the top menu, then select Audio from the drop-down list. A window will appear showing the audio files in your Google Drive. Locate and select your uploaded file. Once you do, a small speaker icon will appear on your slide. This is your audio trigger. Customize audio settings. Click on the speaker icon to access the formatting and playback options on the right. Here's where you can fine-tune your audio. Volume. Adjust how loud the playback will be. Playback options. Choose whether the audio starts automatically or only when clicked. Looping. Decide if the audio should repeat or stop when the slide changes. These settings are key to making your presentation feel professional and seamless. And that's it. You've successfully added a voiceover to your Google Slides presentation. With just a few steps, you can transform a simple slide deck into an engaging, narrated experience. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.